In Pspp, first we create the variables in variable view. Then after creating the variables in the variable view, we go to data view and enter the data in data view accordingly. Then we should save the file in a location. For that we press the file tab, then save as or save anything we can press. If we press save, then it will ask a location to save the file. For that we give a name, suppose data underscore students. This is our name of the file. Then we will find the location where to save the file. Let us save it in documents. Then we will press the save button. Here is save. Now when we press the save button, an output file will be created. Later on we can give the name of the output file as we wish, but before that it will be displayed as output. So in the syntax for saving a file is save out file. So it is saved in the documents. It is showing the path as C:\users cpl OneDrive under the documents, and the file name of the file is data underscore students.save. So this is the out file. Whatever action is done in the main file, all will be displayed in the output file. So let us minimize it. Now this is our data file whose name is data underscore students.sav. So the data file in Pspp is saved as .sav. The extension is .sav. In SPSS also the extension of the file name is .sav, and in Pspp also same extension is created as .sav, so that this file in Pspp can also be opened in SPSS and vice versa. That is, any file created in SPSS can be opened in Pspp. Now let us do one analyze. For the descriptive statistics, we will go to analyze. This tab we have the tab as file, edit, view, data, transform, analyze, graphs, utilities, windows and help. So to find out the descriptive statistics, in descriptive statistics we have our mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. Let us find some of the descriptive statistic constants from the data entered here. There are very few data, actually only 5 students data we have entered, that is for the marks in physics, chemistry, maths and biology, only 4 subjects, and roll number and the names. Roll number is a nominal variable, we have defined as nominal variable, that is only a level. Name is also a level, and this physics, chemistry, maths, this marks we can do some mathematical operation. So let us go to analyze. Then in the first tab it is written as descriptive statistics. Let us go to descriptive. These are the drop down menus. So we will press the descriptive tab. Now one new window will appear. Just a minute. Actually initially all the values, all the variables will be displayed on this left hand screen, and we have to bring it to this small screen one by one to operate on it for the descriptive statistics part. Now say we are taking all the variables physics, chemistry, maths and biology, that is the marks in physics, marks in chemistry, marks in maths and marks in biology. So you can see here. Now what are the statistics we need? It will be displayed in this small window. It is written as mean, standard deviation, then minimum, maximum, range, sum, standard error, variance, kurtosis, skewness, everything. All the descriptive variables are displayed here, and whatever we need we can choose it. let us suppose we need the mean of the values. Standard deviation already checked the boxes. Minimum value, that is mean for that particular variable, that is mean marks in say physics, mean marks in chemistry, etc. Then standard deviation of the marks, minimum value of the marks, maximum value of the marks, range, that is the difference between the highest and lowest value. Then sum is not required because already we have the mean value, and mean we get mean by dividing sum by total number of values. Then range is there, then standard error, then variance also we can find out. Of course, standard deviation is the square root of variance. That's all. Now we will press the OK button. OK. Now the output file already created somewhere, so that will be displayed. So here, when we save the data, already one output file was created. In the same output file, the result will appear. So the first syntax, as we have seen already, the save command. Next one is the descriptive statistics analysis is done. So descriptive is coming. Under descriptive, what are the variables? Variables are physics, chemistry, maths and biology. And default variance, because variance we have selected. Default values are the mean, median, mean, standard deviation and the maximum minimum values, and variance is we have added with them later on. The default values what are already checked the boxes, those are the default values, and variances we have added as you have seen. Now the first column in this table, it is written as valid cases. So 5 valid cases we have. Then we do not have any missing value. Then physics, we have number of values 5, mean 54, standard deviation 13.71, variance 188, minimum values 39, maximum 75. And for chemistry also, number of values is 5, mean is 56.8, standard deviation 11.95, then variance is this, minimum and maximum. And for other subjects, maths and biology also, we have the mean, standard deviation, variance, minimum and maximum value. So in this way we can find out the descriptive statistics values for the selected variables. We can select the variables one by one, or since there are not much variable, we have only 4 variables, we have selected all of them together. Otherwise we can add one by one also. Let us see how we can add one by one. Let us minimize it. Again we can go to analyze, descriptive, then only one variable we need. Suppose we will bring only physics. Here also in this part, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, these are already checked. Then if you press OK, it will go to the output file and it is showing only one variable, which is physics, with minimum marks 54, standard deviation 13, variance 188, minimum 39 and maximum 75.